This is Papagiannis Square. It's near my house. It's a beautiful square with many trees and playground.
This is the view from my neighborhood. We can see Imitos Mountain.
This is Luna, my dog. Here she plays with her toy.
This is Analepsy, the main church of Koropi City, the cathedral.
In front of the church, there is a beautiful square with a lot of benches. This statue reminds us the disasters from World War II. This is the town hall of Koropi City, in the middle of the square. In the front of the town hall there is the Monument of Liberty. This is my parrot Gemma. I love her very much. This is the entrance of the Liberty Square near the town hall. This is my favorite pet. She is very clever and she loves apples. Here we see the statue square in the middle stands King Constantinos I. We invite you to our beautiful town.